Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back and show you my this is my ordered box number 3. Yeah, you can see, and this box is for myself, for my own. I ordered this to store all my yummy trim, and you can see, let me put down this one first. This I just make it's very simple, and here with this embroidery fabric around. And yeah, this is one of my recycled brick box. So yeah, you can see I make the like a pocket, use the trolley to store all my yummy lace. And this is my handmade printed rose and a little tiny teddy bear. This one is the leftover from my teddy bear kit I believe it's last year. So I put it here. And another yummy, this is the large spool, wooden cloth paint. And this one, and the back here also I want another pocket here. Let me put this inside. Okay, another pocket. You can see another pocket here. So this pocket I store this ribbon flower that I purchased from Etsy shop. Her Etsy shop name is Delightful. Yeah, I will check the link because I love all her embroidery rose, the flower. So I just bought some and put in my collection. And for the box also I around this trim. Okay, so yeah, this is the front. Yeah, make it very simple. I use the beaded how to call this one, string or what, yeah, to hold this. So yeah, this is one I haven't put in the spool. And my new collection, this is very expensive, this because I just bought 2 yards for my collection. So pretty, this. And also this is very old trim that last time I do sell this in my shop, but this one I just keep for myself. And this kind of the shabby Chic, and this one, and this one, and this one. This is already yeah, I sell before this one also in my shop, but all this I just keep for myself. This one I use this to around here. So, and one more, this one, so pretty. So that's it. And another oh no, sorry, this one is dropped. And I add this flower here. And this one is not embroidery, but this one is the like beaded sequins. Also is a leftover, so that I keep all this into my collection. Look at this, yummy. Some more yummy. So many yummy stuff here. And this one you can store so many. This one is Bonnie sent to me, so I just keep it here. Just something you can see. I can store so many stuff inside this box. This one of the shabby Chic trim, and this is my printed trim. And this one I do sell this in my shop. And yeah, I have to mention before I forget, I will start to sell the lasers in my Facebook monthly Inspire Kick group. So yeah, from this month onwards, I will sell the limited item from my in my Facebook group. Yeah, who interested to buy the items. I have so many the hand dye applique that I will sell in my group. So yeah, it's limited item. So yeah, if who interested, you have to stop by and join into my Facebook group. This one I purchased this from online shop. It's so pretty. Love this one. And also this one is my collection, and I don't have this. All this is my collection. And this one, and some more this color, and oh yeah, this one the same. Okay, now I show you the box. The box is like so, and inside I just layer with the embroidery lace. It's 3 layer. Actually the box is put like I think it's like so, but I like prefer to make it like so I can store many items in. You can see, so it will be very deep, and I put this flower, I glue this flower inside, and also layer with the trim and the fabric. Okay, this is the box. Okay, I put everything in. You can see. Okay, and I make this one is made for me for my birthday. It's a French door pink cushion, something like so. It's so pretty. One small and one big one, and I try to make by my own. And this is how I look like. I will do this one. Okay, it's not too bad, right? Wow. This is the back here, and the different outfit, the dress. This one the printed, I didn't notice because you can see the here, but it's okay, I think. The head. Okay, this one. So I will put this here. Just put together here, and I just love this one for me. So yeah, this is the family. Look how gorgeous. Love, love, love. Okay, so pretty. Okay, and yeah, thanks again for everyone for stopping by to my channel, and yeah, and all your kind comments and support. I truly appreciate each one. And I still have one more box to share with y'all, but that one is a swap with, actually it's quite been a while, I think 2 or 3 years back. Yeah, we agreed to do the swap, but just have no time. Both of us are so busy. So yeah, that one is made for a swap. I will show you when the recipients receive the package. So yeah, and yeah, this is what I do for now. And yeah, maybe I will post another video for my April kit, but yeah, just stay tuned. And yeah, hope you like this and what I made. And thanks again for everyone and for your support and your kind comments, and I appreciate each one. And bye bye.